Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today again I am going to new problems of polynomials. Please listen to me carefully. Start. Relationship between the zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Suppose fx is equal to 6x square minus 4x plus 2 minus 4 c is equal to 2 are two zeros of the given polynomial. Sum of its zeros is equal to minus b by a, implies alpha plus beta is equal to, put the value minus 4, put the value of a is equal to 6, is equal to of x by co of x square. Then product of its zeros is equal to c by a, implies alpha into beta is equal to, put the value of c 2, put the value of a 6 is equal to coefficient of x square. Then relationship between zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial. Suppose fx is a quadratic polynomial, equation is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here alpha and beta are two zeros. By factorial theorem, x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors of fx. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to k into x square minus alpha plus is where k is constant. Comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant term of both the sides. Here a is equal to k, b is equal to minus k minus into alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to the sum of the zeros whose formula is minus b by a. What is minus b? Co alpha into beta. The product is equal to alpha into beta, whose formula is c by a. What is c? C is here constant term. What is a? A is coefficient of x. The general equation of fx here is equal to k into x square minus alpha into beta whole into x into alpha beta, or fx is equal to k into x square minus sum of the zeros into x zeros, where k is a constant. Suppose fx is equal to x square plus 7x plus 12. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 12. What is the sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Implies alpha plus beta is equal to, put the value of b 7, put the value of a is 1, implies alpha plus beta is equal to plus into minus minus 7. Then product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta is equal to formula c by a. Put the value of c 12, put the value of a 1 into alpha into beta is equal to 12. What is the relationship? The relationship between the zeros and coefficient is verified. Then suppose 1 by 4 minus 1. This is the 2 of the polynomial. So we make a equation. Suppose formula fx is equal to constant term into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here x square sum 1 by 4 plus minus 1 into x plus product of the 0 1 by 4 into minus 1. Then k into x square minus LCM 4 into 4 divided by 4 cancel 1 into 1 1 4 into 1 4 into x minus 1 into 1 1 by 4 implies k into x square 1 plus minus opposite sign subtract, so minus 3 by 4 into x by 1 by 4 is equal to k plus into minus plus 3 by 4x plus into minus minus. So k into LCM 4 into x square plus 4 by 4 cancel 3 into x 3x 4 cancel 1. Suppose k into 4x plus 3x minus 1 by 4. Suppose 0 and root 5. There are two zeros. We have sum of 0, sum of zeros is equal to 0. Product of the 0 is equal to root 5. So we make equation k into x square into alpha plus beta whole into x plus alpha beta is equal to k into x square into 0 into x plus root 5 is equal to k into x square minus 0 plus root 5 is equal to k into x square plus root 5. Thank you all. Keep watching my video for new topic every day.